Hi friends, my name is M. Suresh. Without wasting the video, coming to the problem, and today's problem is the largest value in our array, largest value in an array. Find the largest value in the array. For example, here 10, 20, 2, 3, 140, 3, which is the biggest value. 140. 140 is the biggest value. Find the biggest value in the array. And for coming to the problem, there are some approaches are there. First approach is nothing but the sorting. Second approach is nothing but the finding the max value in the array. First one, the sorting. For example, sort the array. When we are using the keyword which is the sorter, x dot which x is the array and sort is the sorting method. If we use this function means, so initially which is the smallest value 2, 3, and one more 3 is there, and 10 comma and 20 comma with 30 is there, no 140, direct 140. So when it will sorted, then the array will become like this, which is the last value, which is the 140. 140 is the biggest value, which is 140. Likewise, the numbers will arrange like a ascending order, and it will the final output is the final one is the output of our result. Okay, next, which is the first approach. It is the first approach. And next one, second approach, is nothing but the using the max key value, which is a max key value. Max key value is nothing but the max of array, which is the x is the array 1, which is x. So it will return the value of the 140, which is a 140. It is a problem solved. It is a one of the value, but in DSA it won't accept like these problems. And there are one more approach is nothing but it's a binary search. Binary search. A binary search, for example, taking this array 10 comma 20 comma, which is 2 comma 3 comma 140 comma 3. Okay, basically here in binary search, not a binary search, it is a linear search. In linear search, for taking one for loop and iterating the each and every value and comparing with each other, then the output will retrieved. For example, if you take 20 is comparing with 10 is comparing with 20, it is the biggest value. No, it is the biggest value. So I am taking, for example, x or y. I am taking y. Initially the value is stored 10, and after that, while comparing the 20, it is 20 is the biggest one. So biggest one is replaced, and next it is comparing with it is a 20, and it will compare with the 2. 2 is a smaller one, so it we want to replace. And coming to it, 3 is also smaller. Coming to the 140, yes, 140 is the it is the biggest value comparing with the 20. So, and the next comparing with the 3, it is a small value. So the output is a 140. Like this, the linear search approach will coming. Okay, now I am saying I have completed the algorithms and approaches. Now I am coming to the code. Okay, and coming to the code, initially which is the x is the one our given array, which is 10 comma 20 comma 3 comma 140 comma 3, which is the array. And next I am taking the length. For example, I am measuring the length. The length is equal to length of x, and the next one is the maximum value, which is the maximum value is the max of maximum value is the array of 0. I am taking initially first value, which is the first value, and next I am taking one for loop for I in range from here from I starting value to ending value. So that's why I am using length, and it will after completed it. Now coming to the main step, it is comparing the value, which is compare if array of I is comparing with array of I less than array of I plus 1, I plus 1, then if the array of I is greater than array of I plus 1, then the max value will replace with the array of I plus 1, which is the I plus 1. I plus 1, it is comparing the array of I plus 1 is a greater value. So that's why the array of I plus 1 replaced with the max value. Initially the value, first one value is a 10. 10 is compared with the array of I plus 1. Okay. Likewise, it will reiterate the total 10, 23, 2 and 140 and 3. It will comparing the all the value which is the return the final one, which is a 140, which is the biggest value, which is the maximum. This is the best approach. The time complexity is order of n. Okay, and the space complexity is the order of order of 1. Okay, that's it. It is the final approach. Thank you for watching this video.